So I'm just here doing the 500-mile oil change on my 2025 Camry XLE. I wanted to find out if there are any type of metal shavings, not metal shavings, but metal particles that end up coming out of the oil after only 500 miles. We're going to replace it with the Mobil 1 0W8, and we have the OEM gasket and the OEM oil filter. Up under the Camry, you're going to find this plastic shield along with 4 10mm or Phillips bit screws holding it up. This is going to be a 13, and the oil filter right over here. Basically, what I'm trying to show here is the color of the 0W8 oil that came out of the Camry after only 500 miles. And when it's new, it's more of a honey color. It is kind of, but this is more of a darker color. And you can see the little metallic flakes in there, ever so slightly. Remember, this is a brand new oil pan that I washed out. So all these little tiny metal flakes are from the engine in the 2025 Toyota Camry after only 500 miles. This is the break-in oil change that I am doing myself. Remember, the dealership wants you to do an oil change once every 10,000 miles. I'm just doing this as preventative maintenance because I do plan on keeping this vehicle for a very long time. So you can kind of decide for yourself. Obviously, I'm not going to do oil changes every 500 miles. I'm just going to do maybe 1 or 2, and then the rest will be at 5,000 mile increments. This is the gasket, but you can see all that flake, all those little tiny metal particles. Just to summarize the video quickly, doing a break-in oil change after only a couple hundred miles on a brand new engine is not my original idea. Many master technicians and engine builders will tell you having metal flakes in a brand new engine is perfectly fine. But in order to extend the longevity of that engine, they all recommend doing a break-in oil change just to flush out those metal particles, because the oil filter can only catch so much. At the end of the day, oil changes are cheap, engines are not.